First personal foul, third foul.
Kasi yung score 36-46 favor of Black.
All-star yan. Yun ang all-star nila.
All-star.
Manipol at the right side, kicks the ball to Gonzalez, picks. Gonzalez, wide open for another kick. This time is an air ball for Gonzalez. Labas kagad, running time all in the first half. Number 21, Luis Bello. Bello with the left-handed dribbling. Bello looking for Labramonte. In and out, power rebound by number 20, Monserrata. Monserrata, but ball deflected by number 20, Manipol. Manipol attack on the median with the speed. Manipol tapas the ball. Wide pass, but we didn't finish. Number 17, which is Labramonte to number 21. Up no good. Recovers by Monserrata. Foul
Counted. 40-30.
Foul as football number 25, Maigi. First personal foul, running to penalty. Two shot for number 20, Monserrata. Let's see the first try for Monserrata. Outbound street runner, sorry. Number 9, 13, Ladisla with the left-handed dribbling, looking for number 33, Manipol. To Gonzalez, baseline jumper. In and out, rebound by number 17, Labramonte. At the left side, looking and setting. 15 on the shot clock. To number 21, Bello. Bello with the left-handed dribbling. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Bello on the right side, sidestepping, kicks out to the cutting Labramonte. What a pass, what a play, what a finish from Bello to number 17, Labramonte. Connection.
Labramonte.
Up to 40-point lead for the team of Paseco. Gonzalez to the cutting Ladisla. Cutting ball to me. Ladisla. Foul has been called on Labramonte. Number 17, Labramonte committed. Warning to penalty. Gonzalez for the three. No good. Bottom of the loose ball. Ball goes on number 21. Blocking foul been called on Gonzalez. Penalty rin. Second personal foul penalty substitution.
Black jersey score 50. Violet 36-36.
Let's see the second try for Bello. Get the 1 out of 2 at the middle line. 45 seconds more to go to win the first half. Flores to Kimpo. Back over to Flores. Picks. What the ball is. Some problem time. Marco Polo move. Ball is stolen by two. To Ascension. Ascension at the middle. Half no good. Here comes Gonzalez. Put back. Is good for Maigi. Rather Maigi. Put back is good. 24 seconds more to go. 20 on the shot clock. Number 21, Bello. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 15 on the game clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 21, Bello to Labramonte of the glass. Good. Labas kagad. Last 7 seconds. Flores at the right side. Flores, drop pass. Manipol. Up and away for Manipol. Last one. And of the first half. End of the first half. End of the first half.
Ilan lang? Lise? Habol yan.
30, 40, 53.
Habol yan.
Hindi kung walang plus 10 yan, lamang
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Next game, mag-bis na.
Hindi, lamang sila ng pan, tatlo eh. Palagay natin, walang plus. O, di 40, 43.
Tatlo. Tatlo. Makalagay dito. Ang nasulat ay nasulat. Let's start the second and final half. Number 17, Vinci. To number 25, Maigi. Now, recovers by Kimpo. But ball is stolen by Bello.